Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer or withdraw money from Scatter to Gcash. First, open the Scatter app or website, then sign in with your credentials or private key. Now go to Wallet or Assets to see your available funds. Then confirm the token or currency you want to withdraw is supported by Gcash. After that, open the Gcash app and navigate to Cash In. Then, choose bank or wallet transfer using InstaPay, QR, or e-wallet options depending on your region. Then, copy your Gcash account details such as your mobile number or QR code. In Scatter, select Send or Withdraw. Then, paste your Gcash account number or wallet info. After that, enter the amount you want to transfer and double-check the recipient info, network, and amount. Confirm and approve the transaction. Some tokens may require network fees to process. Transfers may take minutes to a few hours depending on network congestion. Then, check the Gcash balance to confirm receipt. Now, save your transaction ID or receipt for reference. If funds don't arrive, contact Scatter support or Gcash customer service. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. The recipient info, network, and approve the transaction. Require network fees to process. First may take minutes to a few. Now save your transaction ID. Arrive, contact Scatter support or Gcash customer service. That's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.